Guys, today we're going to be making birthday cake slime. If it's your birthday, then it's good. And happy birthday if it is. So I've got my box of ingredients. So I'm starting with a simple bowl. I'm outside. Then, after I get my simple bowl, I'm gonna get my simple glue. So you need some school glue. White school glue, unless you're going to be, if it's like, or clear, but because you want your thing to end up white. So if your thing isn't white, then you're gonna need white dye or white paint. So start by pouring some glue into a nice bowl. Here it is. All my things are white. Then get some hand soap. Mine's clear, so it's okay. 3 squirts of that. Then get a stirring tool and stir your hand soap into it. Then get some shaving foam. I recommend white. That's what most shaving foams are like. But some people have like, and I say use shaving foam is better than shaving gel or shaving cream. It's a shaving foam. Then get some cornstarch. Of course, white. To make it the whitest color. But don't put too much. You don't want it to. You want it to be fluffy. Put a little bit of it because I'm making a little batch. Now I'm stirring. So I'm stirring all my ingredients together. Make sure you get all that cornstarch in there. It should start to get a little bit thick, but also fluffily thick. Then get your activator. I'm using liquid starch. You can use any kind of activator you want. I always use liquid starch because I say that's the best. You can also do I'm pretty sure it's 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Maybe it's 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Not quite sure. So you keep adding as much activator as your slime needs. Don't overactivate it, but don't underactivate it either. So I'm stirring. Mine's turning. I made a little batch because I have a little container that I want to put it in. So keep adding more activator. You don't want to add too much at a time. Slowly adding it is the best way to add activator. But this isn't like a slime tip video, it's a slime instruction video, how to make birthday cake slime. It's a little sticky, but you always want to knead it because kneading it makes it not as sticky. It's very sticky. I don't really like sticky slimes. That's why I always knead it a lot. Because I really hate when they're sticky. It just isn't as fun to play with. So I kneaded it. So I'm adding a little bit more activator. Of course, this is not all the ingredients. There is 1 more ingredient, which makes it really the birthday cake slime. Sticky mess. So it is such a sticky mess. I'm gonna add a little more shaving foam. I think shaving foam makes it less sticky too. I'm not quite sure. Okay, now of course I'm kneading it. This is a very stretchy, fun slime to play with. the cornstarch did add something to it. The hand soap, I'm pretty sure, made it more of like, I don't know. So then the main ingredient, sprinkles. You can use like fake rubber sprinkles. You can even use rainbow foam balls. But I'm using literal, actual rainbow sprinkles. Now, mix the sprinkles in with the slime. It does also give it gives it a cool look, but it also gives it a cool crunchy effect too. If you don't have any foam balls, you could also use this as maybe a crunchy thing. You gotta add lots of sprinkles, and it will make it crunchy. So I'm mixing it in. I know I normally add my special ingredient beforehand, but I'm just like before I add the activator, but I decided to add the activator base. So I'm squishing it. It looks super cool. I love this birthday cake stuff. It looks like literal birthday cake. If someone needs a birthday present, you can make them like a tub of birthday cake slime. If they're slime fans. If they don't like slime, then of course they don't like it. So yeah. But if they like slime, like me, and probably like you because you're watching this video, maybe you're the best man. Is your best friend or something, or he or she, your best friend or something. But it's super fun. So the birthday cake slime is an amazing type of slime. You can even make it if it's no one's birthday. Actually, make it when it's no one's birthday. Like if your friend's birthday's coming up, you can also make them a type of it, like I just said. So don't add too much sprinkles, because you still want it to look like a birthday cake. That means the white batter, then like the frosting sprinkles on top. So yeah. I'm still kneading it in. Make sure to really knead it, because you don't want all the sprinkles to be falling out. Sprinkles are awesome. P.S. This is not edible. You can also, if you make edible slime in Sprite, you can also add sprinkles to make it edible birthday cake slime. This is so much fun. You should definitely make this if you can. You actually do not have to use the hand soap, except I recommend using the hand soap. Makes it better, but you do not have to. You don't even have to use any of this. All you need is glue and activator to make normal slime, then add sprinkles, but it does not give it a fluffy, thick, amazing, awesome birthday cake thing, like texture. You could also add some scents. I'm probably after this, I'm gonna probably add some like candy scents or some like bubblegum scent or something, because I don't have any birthday cake scents. I wish I did, because that'd be perfect. See how when you stretch it, shows the birthday things, and it looks super cool. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and if it lets you, comment down below, please. And if you like all my videos, subscribe to my channel. And if it yeah, that's all actually. There's no and. Then you get a shout out. Also, you get an automatic shout out if you if you buy. You get an automatic shout out. If you buy in. You've got 1 week to buy, I think. If you buy something from my store, slimetime.fws store, link down in the description, then you will get an automatic shout out, and you get the slime that you paid for. So, hope you enjoyed this video. You can watch all my other videos of more slime tutorials. I also do ASMRs, but not as likely as I do slime tutorials, because I like to make slime tutorials, because ASMRs, you don't really learn anything from ASMRs, but you do learn things from the slime time video. So you can go tell your parents, I'm learning something. You're learning how to make slime. And also the physics of slime. It is very fun to play with. as you can see. If yours didn't turn out like mine, add more better ingredients because I don't cheat on this. I'm not like every other. So, wash your hands and leave a like.